Hello, this is Ro. Welcome to Rena. Today I'm going to introduce you the new tools that from the Armory. So you can see there's a car storage, and this one is the multi-purpose motor case. So in this video, I will show you how those tools works. Okay, so let's start today's video. Ready? Go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so for this car storage we have 3 slots, but here you can see for this one, this pieces is for you to make sure if you put the car in, so it won't easy to slide out, so you have something to block it. So it makes your car safe, and especially when you open the bag, it won't just slide out. So this is like first things. And the second is, like you can see we have 2 and 3 over here. So you can combine them, like it depends on how many car you have. So you can, as long as like you measure your bag, how big that is. So you can make like, I don't know, like 15, 20, even 50, 100, whatever you can using for storage. Or if you're like, your suitcase or your backpack is really big, so you can just make, doesn't matter how many you want, it's up to you. So but here I can show you, we'll put it all together. So for example, here there's 2 slots, then I want to combine that with the 5 slot. So you can see here, just slide it in. It will be a little bit loud, so I will turn the volume down. Okay, so here you can see this stopper here. We'll just here like this. So now it become a 5 slot. Okay, and also here you can see there's a 2 small tools. It's trying to, this one is for you to tight, like you can see the holes right here. Let me show you. Okay, so we can lock this case, it won't move. So let's say right now I want to turn it to 10 slot, so you can see on the side here. Then I just, same thing, I'm gonna turn the volume down. Okay, just line it up. Okay, and the end, we're using this. You can see the hole right here. Just put it in, and the bottom as well. Okay, so this one is very firm. So now become a 10 slot. Okay, so it's up to you. Depends on what size you're having, and also later on we will have some features for different way to use it. On this one, maybe we can make a drawer or something different, or some custom made. So now I'm gonna show you, let's say in my bag, how this looks like. Okay, so this is the my bag. So because my bag here, it's like for me to travel use. So at the center there is a spot, it's blocking the space, so I have to make my the storage cases like this. But later on I will have something to custom made for this at the center for myself. Also in the futures, we also are planning to make a drawer for each space over here, so it can be a drawer as well. So it doesn't need to be like for the car, it can also be a drawer as well. So you can have tools, something, and you can put it in and take it out as like that. So because my bag is like this kind of a design, but if you have some kind of bag it's like can open like flat like that, then at the back is also, the back is also flat, so you can straight just fit this one inside. And also if your bag is big enough, you can probably make it another slot right here. Okay, so this one is pretty smaller, because this like is for me to doing the when I go for travel, so it's a very handy one. So this one you can see is like 2 slots, 3 slots, so you can make it like like puzzle, like Lego, so you can see how many you want, so you can make us like what you need. And later on, like I said, we will have a drawer, and there's more stuff is coming. We are thinking of more idea and how can to make this tools is getting better, and there's more purpose to use on this motor storage slot. Okay, sorry, not motor, the car slot. Okay, so let's take a look at the next tools, the multi-purpose motor case. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the multi-purpose motor case. So first of all, after we opened it, so you can see here we have a cutting mat, so you can cut the brake on here. And also there is a sanding strip if you need to sand your carbons, or if you have to sand your brake, this one can for you to use it. And then next one, this is our clearance check ruler. Okay, so you can check your clearance, see if your car is good on the clearance. Okay, so and the other spot you can see right here, it's basically is for you for storage. Like if you are setting up the car or something, then there's a spot you can put the small nuts or screws or whatever. It can be here as like the divider. So this is the top part for our multi-purpose, and then is the bottom one. So the bottom we have the left and right. So the left is the motor, obviously it fits 19 motors, and the other side here's the battery, it fits 22 batteries, and here is the 22 millimeter for the tape. You can using, because the 20 millimeter is the thick widest one, so it can also fit the 10 or 15. That's not the problem at all. But over here we have another option. If you don't want the battery case, we also have option for motor case. So here is like another extra 16 motor slot that you can using, and but same as like there's a tape here you can still using here, so you can have another 16 motors available for you to put this. So if you have both, so it's like 35 motors. And then the other thing is that's not everything. Okay, so let me just take this off. So there's one more options that we have designed is on the other side of this one. You can see there's two piece here, so that is basically is the easier, like simple the measure for you to measure your car if it's right size. So you can see here, this one it just fit. Okay, so this is basically for you to do if you are having like this the measure box. So you can see here. Okay, so it just fit there as well, but unfortunately, because we don't have space on the left and right, because we have hinge here, so we only do a front and the back. Because usually when you install your car, no matter B-Max or open class, usually the plate it has like shows the size, like what roller you should put it on. So I think it should be okay if we don't have left and right, because the left front and the back is the one is hard to measure it. So that's why we're having this one to make you to measure your car, see if that's like oversized or it's just right size for you to use. So this is the multi-purpose, the motor case that we are making this time. So of course all those tools is like we want to try to make the tool is for you to easy. When you go to the race, you don't need to bring that much stuff, and most of them is like easier for you to carry, so you don't need to bring too many tools and too many things. We're trying to make everything simple together and easier when you go to the race. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.